Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Trends. I'm Silverbacked, and in this video I'm going to go through the top 10 largest cap cryptos using Heikin Ashi candles to determine what I'm going to hold, what I'm not. Starting off with, I think I got a quick sell out of BTC. I think first thing I'm looking at here, we do have a stop loss at 83,888 as an emergency level, which is somewhere down here. But I can see it's actually rolling over. I want to get out of that immediately, so I'm putting out the call to that I'm going to sell BTC immediately. So that's, I'm just wearing a bit of a loss on that one. So we lost 0.33% on that trade because it's actually rolling over. So I'll bring this up. I just wanted to just quickly do that before I moved on to anything else. Okay, for starters, we got this candle here. I'll just blow it up so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So here I've got a wick at the bottom, wick at the top and the bottom, I should say, and that means price indecision. So anything below, I would have moved my stop loss up to just below that candle there, just there. And then that wick should have knocked me out. So it's a very quick move to the downside that I sort of missed. But I could have saved a little bit more, but I'm pretty happy with that. We're out, at a high level. Now, the next one up, so I'm basically just going to mark this as, so on the 1 day trend is ranging now, and the stop loss level got hit. With relation to Ethereum, we've got the same thing going with Ethereum too. It finished out with a wick down the bottom, so any Ethereum positions I'm closing. Got to be a bit quicker, eh? Well, let me just pull it up here because it'll tell me if I got an Ethereum position. Yes, I do. So I'm going to close that out. Ethereum is gone. And again, I'm not. The reason being is because there's a wick down there. I don't want to hold below this level, below 1779. I don't want to see how low it goes. I want to get out of it now. You're going to have situations where the whole market rolls over and all the gains you had, will sort of bleed out if you're not fast enough with this. But just look at the 1 day change is pretty significant levels. So XRP is now an indecisive candle, and my stop loss level would be here. Actually, we're not even in it, so that's okay. What I'll do is I'll just double check too that I'm not. XRP. I don't think I am. Yeah, no. And what else we got? XRP, no, BNB. I think I might actually have a position with BNB. I'm not suggesting you jump in now because it's just all indecision wicks and dojis. But I think I got a stop loss here, 599, 597, which is okay to be there. So that's okay. I'll look at BNB here and. Find it easily, or type it in BNB. I think I'm just holding off a dear life. I already got stopped out. Yeah, no, I already got stopped out, so that's good. So we're out of that one. And then get rid of that because I'm out of it now. Sol. It is starting a downtrend, but it has a wick, so it's indecision on that. So I'll just go and see what if I'm holding anything there. In Sol, yeah, no. I obviously would have got stopped out if I was holding anything, so that we're not in that. I'll look at that line there. That's probably my stop level actually. I think I remember jumping out it manually. What have we got? ADA. ADA is ranging. You wouldn't want to be in that, so that's that color coding is correct. Doge. Doge would hit the stop. Just double check. Positions. Doge. Doge should have hit the stop. What is the stop? Let's have a look here. 16.99 cents. Let's have a look on the chart. 16.99 cents. Oh, we're down here somewhere. Okay, well now that we were, our stop loss is here, which is where it is. We would need to move it up to here, and now we're just at the point where this candle's going through it. So if I just write this in here, exactly where price is where the stop loss would be. So if I jump out now, I'll just move to normal candles to have a look and see. Yeah, no, we've actually gone right through it. So yeah, jump out. We should have jumped out. Set it here so we've got it knocked out. So get out of any Doge position long is what I'm doing. So where are we? Doge. See you later. So we lost 2.92% on that one. So I can close that position, and then yeah, the whole SUI is actually a little bit down from where it was too. So we're getting a few different signals that the market's rolling over a little bit, which is okay. If it actually takes hold and continues down, we're actually going to have some nice shorting opportunities. So that's okay. So Doge. So we have a clear ranging candle there. But there are going to be times where we're going to be completely out of the market. So TRX, let's have a look at TRX. TRX is a wick at the bottom, wick at the top, so I would stay out of TRX. SUI, we obviously are still in that one. Now, we've got a 1 day, let me change the Heikin Ashi. Yeah, we're still down here for a stop loss, $2.10. That's a current long. Look, by tomorrow, if this candle resolves the way it is, I will move my stop happily from here right up to there to preserve the profit. But until that candle closes with a wick above, wick below, there's no other lower wicks, so I will leave it going. Obviously, I've got a very, very, very good entry. I grabbed it before it moved up to there, so if it wants to come up and down and kiss these EMAs before continuing up, we're going to be able to hold that position. So, which is done quite well so far. That is still a long. It's still a fresh long too. So Link is it's got a doji. Actually, it had a doji the previous one, so I know that I'm not in a position there. Actually, I just checked. I know the only position I've got is actually SUI now. So, well, thanks guys. That's it. That's the top 10 covered. I'll do a summary of all the actual things I just did. Yeah, oh, here you go. Lost it. I'll do a summary. There's not much really to summarize here, but I'll actually go through and complete any trends I can identify in the 11 to 18 section, and I'll put it in the Substack blog. I will go through. I've got the time today. I'll go through and put in the 4 hour and 1 hour trends, if there's any ranging or long or short there, and also give you the stop losses. I'll fill all this in and I'll chuck it in the Substack blog. Make sure you subscribe to the Substack blog. There is a free option there. If you look for it, you'll find it. Just get in there, and the only section that is paywalled is the upgrade to the community chat. Okay, that's where a lot of the leveraged chat conversation happens. I like to delineate between spot and investing, which is all this content, and the actual leverage side of things, because I don't want to be sort of like telling you, hey, here's a signal, go leverage this or that. These videos are more focused on here's the general trend, and here's how Heikin Ashi works as a point of fact rather than an opinion, to help you inform your total investment decisions on where you invest, and what tools that I find helpful, like for example MEXC and Bitfinex, as a way of doing it without any leverage, so we can sort of take advantage of shorting the market too. So as that extra element on top of just spot trading, And obviously, you know, MEXC, just to give you guys an idea, is UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Any of those countries, you're welcome to go in there. No KYC and all that sort of stuff. VitChinex is worldwide, so we're everywhere in the world. There's no blocking, there's no VPNs required. You just go and sign up with an email, and you are done. And then you can upgrade if you want to upgrade your verification and ID and all that sort of stuff if you want to. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Thanks for joining, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another video. And again, just with MEXC, just to let you guys know, I've closed the BTC position that we had here because I'm doing the same thing here as what I'm doing on the top 10. And obviously we broke ranks as far as the price below. Oops. Below this level here. I'll just mark it out. Because we went below 93.5. I don't want to see how low this goes before I decide to act. So I decided to act now here, and also that also affects this one. So there's no position here to be had. You can deposit, and as soon as I make a trade, you're copying me. If you so wish to, but no dramas. I'll look forward to talking to you guys tomorrow, and happy trading.